So prior to the video, I already filled out all this information, but I'm going to show you everything as the video goes on. So let's click calculate sales. This book is making approximately 411 sales per month and 27 sales per day. So we'll go over to our next tool, Amazon KDP calculator, and hit calculate. And this book is making it has approximately $5 royalty. So we're gonna do a quick calculation. We're gonna multiply $5.03 times 411 sales per month. That gives us approximately $2,000 in sales per month from just one book only. So in this video, I want to show you exactly how I found this niche and how you can make your own books. So if that's something you're interested in, keep watching. Let's go. I got a comment here that just made my day from Zara's Jadu. She says, waiting for the next video with anticipation. I achieved several sales with your videos. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. So when I see comments like this, it really makes my day, because my primary purpose of opening this channel was to help people make sales fast and easy. I always say that in all my videos. My channel is to help people make sales fast and easy. So when I see comments like this with actual feedback that are getting sales from my videos, it melts my heart, guys. And it just makes my day. So I really want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for giving me feedback that tells me that my purpose for this channel is coming to fruition. Guys, if you're actually making sales, please leave your comments in the comment section below. It will motivate me to keep releasing good content for you. Today is Friday, so we're gonna go ahead and do another perfect niche, number 5. So without further ado, let's get right into this niche. So the parent niche is called Christmas sheet music. So before I go into analyzing this, I'm gonna go into flying research. I found 3 of these books. They were the top under the Christmas section. When I searched for books, Christmas books, and these ones were top there. So this is the first one. It says 16 easy Christmas songs for solo piano. The second one is the Giant Book of Christmas sheet music, also for piano. The third one is easy keyboard songs for the Christmas carol for beginners. So I went over to Amazon, did a search for Christmas sheet music, and it turned out over 10,000 results. I decided to do like niche down and for piano, and it turned out 2,000 results. So that's the primary reason for niching down. But let's niche down more. Let's do Christmas sheet music, maybe harp. So from 2,000 results, first of all, 10,000 results went down to 2,000 results. Now for harp, it is 230 results. I don't know why this thing keeps switching. Each time I click on it, it switches back to this one. I really don't know what is happening here. I don't know if it's my laptop. I don't know if it's Amazon itself, but I noticed it before making this this video. I don't know. I thought it was gonna go eventually, but it keeps happening. Anyway, guys, disregard it. This is the second parent niche, which is Christmas sheet music for piano. Then this is the third niche down, and is the harp, and it's 230 results. I'm just gonna keep clicking it so you guys can see, but each time I click it, oh, it has stabilized. I really don't know. Oh, okay, the data has gone back again. No, it has stabilized. I don't really know what was happening there. Each time I clicked it, went back to the previous website. Anyway, this is the second niche down, and it is Christmas sheet music for harp. So that's what we should be doing, niching down from the parent niche, Christmas sheet music. We niche down to piano. We can also niche down to sheet music for harp. So let's analyze these books, take a look at their interiors, and see what kind of interiors they are making. So for this first book, I did a search inside, and it didn't exactly show me the interiors he was using. It was just showing me like these are the names of the books. It was just showing me the names and how to get the audio. This one is from a personal, like I think a musician or so. So we're gonna let this one be. This is the author. We're gonna let this one be. Go to the second one. So this is a giant book for Christmas. Let's take a look inside. And it's also available in Kindle Direct Publishing. So if you're making this book as a paperback, don't forget to make it as Kindle too. So here is a sample of the interior. All I Want for Christmas Is You. Let's see the list of songs. So it has like how many songs? Is it 40, 60? 60 songs. It has 60 songs, and here's the contents of the songs, and here's a sample of the song. And let's go to the third book. This one is Easy Keyboard Songs 40. So this one is 40 and it's for uh, keyboard. I think keyboard is the same as piano, right, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. So this is 40 and 40 songs. Let's take a look. Yeah. So this is the interior, Silent Night. So this one is a little bit decorated. Look at this. It's not just plain like this one right here. So it has some little bit of decoration to stand out from the crowd. So this is how they look. So it's themed Merry Christmas with some other stuff by the side. So this is definitely awesome, guys. This the decor, it makes you stand out from the crowd. I'm guessing that's why more people are purchasing this, because when they see something different they want to purchase, because this is the book that is making more sales. It has the lowest BSR. It's just 65 pages, and it's making more sales, as you can tell from the BSR. Let's do it. I'm just waiting for. Oh, this is new. I've never seen this before, like capture. Anyway, they want to make sure I'm not a robot, so UTGHUE. Have you guys ever like noticed this before? That's really strange. Browser Amazon, that has never popped up before. Have you guys ever uh noticed anything like that popping up? Let me know in the comment section below. So what were we looking at? Yes, we're looking at this giant book of Christmas. No, it was not this one. We're looking at yep, you. We're looking at this one right here, and I did a refresh here. I don't know why it went to the other one. Anyway, I was refreshing it so that product of Merch from Amazon pops up, so you can quickly show me the BSR. So Productor wasn't showing me the BSR, so I went back to Flying Research. By the way, all the links to these tools are in the description below. The tools, the website, everything. If you're interested, discounts are also found in the description below next to the link. So I went back to Flying Research to get the BSR because Productor was not working, and here's the BSR 8,926. So I took it back to our favorite tools that I used to do a calculation, tckpublishing.com, and I slotted in there 8,926, and it's on sales, and it calculate sales, and it brought me this. That's what I showed you in the beginning of the video. I'm not gonna do that again. I'll do the royalty, same thing, $5. So now I'm gonna show you where you can get interiors. So I did a search online, Google of course, for Christmas sheet music, and I found these two websites. This first one is called singingbell.com, and yeah, sample interiors. This one is Jingle Bell. Let's see if there are other yeah, here's the list. So there are 30 songs. Jingle Bell, We Wish You Merry Christmas, all the popular Christmas songs. And I'm not sure how legal this is, like getting. Anyway, in all of these, I always recommend that if you can create your own, that will be awesome. Like your own interior, that will be awesome. Because obviously, Amazon has a system where they can detect duplicates of content. So if you're gonna like grab this content and make a book out of it, they might likely detect it. So if it's possible that you can make yours, that would be awesome. But here's the first website, singlebell.com. That's the first sheet. We wish you a Merry Christmas. So this is for piano with the lyrics and maybe guitars too. All right, it says piano. All right, this I think this is an ad, piano and all the like. So guys, this is the first website. It has all the sheet musics, and to download it, let's see. Printables for download for PDF. Let's see contents. So I just clicked on that link, and here is the complete PDF. Okay, guys, this is quite unique. I wasn't expecting to see this. What is this called? Please let me know in the comment section below if you know what this instrument is called. It's used in making music too. So this is the lyrics here on the bottom. Jingle bell, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Yep. So the lyrics is below, and wow, is this it? Like, is this all? Okay, so I was expecting something longer. Um, this is it. That's surprising. And here are the lyrics here in the bottom. So guys, that was for the first website. Second website is called sheetmusicfree.com, and I went to the Christmas category, Christmas piano sheet music, Christmas flute sheet music. So if you want the one just for flutes, there is. If the one just for pianos, there is. So let's take a look at the pianos first. Um, all right, here we go. This one is for the pianos, and where are you, Christmas? Christmas time is here. Christmas lights. When a child is born. Merry Christmas, everyone. Let's take a look at this one, when a child is born. And Johnny Mathis. 3 pages. Click more or read more. Wow, that process is really, really long. Free download. Let's see if it's gonna download. Yep, it did. Let's take a look at the interior. And here it is. So when a child is born, guys, let's search for that music. I didn't. I really want to know if it is as short as this. The Jingle Bells one. Let's search for it on sheetmusicfree.com. So where can we search? Let's go to the main page. All right, Jingle Bells. Jingle Bells. Yeah, Jingle Bells and Jingle Bells. So it seems like this one has lyrics. Let's take a look at this one. All right, so scroll down, click on read more. There's so many ads, it's really, really confusing to know where to click. Anyway, that's how they make money. So free download, let's check it out, guys. Let's see if it's the same as the one we saw in the other website. So dashin da 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 da. And this is the pianos too. So apparently has or this person's thesingingbell.com is a shortened version. It has all the lyrics in it, and this one right here, I think it's spaced out into 2 pages because I checked the last um, sentence is slay. Here too is slay, open slay, open slay. So apparently it's complete. And the first here is dashing through the snow. Anyone also say the same here. Yeah, dashing through the snow. So back here again is dashing through. So apparently this person's one is a compressed version. I was also surprised that like is this like all of it? But so guys, that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, there's a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.